Okay, guys, so this is the ROOP FLOYD ROOP Unleash of live call session that we're going to be having on this tutorial today. So today I'm going to show you how to use ROOP FLOYD to make live WhatsApp call or Telegram or whatever app that you want to use it for. We're going to connect it with OBS virtual camera, and then we're going to run a live call test run. Okay, so in the previous video, I made how to use ROOP FLOYD to swap faces in images and videos, and of course there's a video on the installation of ROOP FLOYD, a simple installation instruction video. So go ahead to see all of that, and of course turn on the notification bell, like, subscribe, share, and then drop your comments, interact with me, tell me if you have any software that you want me to actually make a video about, just say it, put it in the comment section. I'll do it to look into it. Okay, so let's get started right now, and I'll put you through the process on how to use this guy to run a live video call. Quickly before we continue, I'd like to note and point that this video and all the videos on this channel are to help grow the young Python developer community. Do not use any of these softwares for illegal activities. Okay, so if you have this ROOP FLOYD installed on your computer, laptop, PC, you can use it to do face swapping and all of that, even editing of image and removing the background. I'll make a new video on that one. So do it to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I drop that video. Okay, because this guy can actually also do face editing and video editing and all of that. So I'll show you in the next video. All right, let's get started. Okay, so while on the ROOP FLOYD folder, come over and click on start.bat. Okay, or run.bat. I don't know what you saved here, sweet. So let's open the ROOP FLOYD and I'll show you how to use it to make a live call on WhatsApp. Okay, so that's what we're doing. Okay, so it's open now. This is the ROOP FLOYD interface, and this is where we're going to run the live call session. Okay, so quickly come over to this place where you see sources and drop your images here. Okay, so let me do that quickly. When it's done, you're going to see the image here on this input faces section. So this is the face we want to use for the live call. I'll go ahead and make some settings now that I did in the previous video on how to use ROOP FLOYD to swap faces on images and faces. Okay, so I'll do the settings now. When you are done with those settings the way you want it, and the face you want to use for the live call is here, come over to this place. You are going to say live cam here. Click on live cam. Now we're going to do a few settings here. Now just watch what I do so that you understand it. From here, change the resolution. Select number of cam that you want to use. When you are done with all of that, click on start. If you scroll down, you are going to see the output of the result here. Okay, so this is the preview, and this is how it looks like. Cool, yeah? Cool, really cool. Okay, so that's just the interface. If you need to make any customization, you have to stop it. Then do your customization. Let's say you want to change the photo. You can come and drag and drop another photo here, and then do all your settings and head back to the live cam, and make sure to click on forward stream to virtual camera, which is your OBS, and then hit start. So this is a live preview, and I'm going to go ahead over now and show you the output in OBS and also with NDI. I think it looks good, but you need a high graphics laptop to run ROOP FLOYD with live call session. Don't get me wrong, you need a high graphics laptop to do this. Okay, so don't expect the best result in the world if you don't have a high graphics card. Okay, but it's good. The swapping looks good. So I'm going to go ahead to OBS now and show you how you can connect it and just use it on NDI to make call. Don't forget to check the send frame to virtual camera. And this is the output on OBS, and that's how it looks like. You don't need to actually do anything other than to add a video capture and make sure your device is OBS virtual camera. Okay, you will see the output like this, just the way it is swapped, and that's make mails fails on my picture on a live call session. Okay, so let's go to NDI now. You see, make sure it's selected as OBS. If not, click on settings, select your laptop name, and you're going to see OBS. Just select it. Okay, so that's how NDI connects with OBS. So this is technically everything that you need to do with OBS. Just open it, add video capture, and that's it. All right, so we're on WhatsApp. We head over to settings, video and voices. Okay, yeah, select your camera, select the camera that you want to use, NDI Webcam Video 1. Don't forget, that's the camera for NDI. Now let's go ahead and make this call, okay? All right, so we're here. I'm going to hit on the call button and video call. Always come to the bottom left of your WhatsApp screen to select your camera. The bottom left to select your camera. And if the camera icon is not showing like this or is showing a slash, click on it to show the actual camera. So guys, that's it. That's technically how you use ROOP FLOYD to do a live call session. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and share. I'm dropping a new video on this ROOP FLOYD on how to watch swap faces and do other editing.